Earlier this month, a devastating fertilizer spill in Iowa resulted in the death of hundreds of thousands of fish along a nearly 50-mile stretch of the East Nishnabotna River to the Missouri border. The spill, reported by New Cooperative Incorporated on March 11, released approximately 1,500 tons of liquid nitrogen fertilizer into a drainage ditch, contaminating the river. The spill occurred due to an above-ground storage tank valve being left open over the weekend. The impact of the spill affected both the East Nishnabotna and Nishnabotna rivers, with over 749,000 fish killed, primarily minnows, shiners, dace, and chubs. Ongoing investigations are underway to assess the spill's impact on other aquatic life. According to Iowa state codes, a permit is required for such discharges, and the Iowa Department of Natural Resources, DNR, is working with its legal department to determine the appropriate course of action. Although recent field tests show a decline in ammonia levels in the river, the DNR advises against recreational activities and consuming dead fish found in or around the river.